To send USDT via the Tron network, you need to have a few basic things in place. First, make sure you have a digital wallet that supports Tron and USDT, such as Tron Link or Clever. If you don't have one, download and install it from the official website. Next, ensure your wallet is funded with some Tron, as you will need it to pay for transaction fees. You can buy Tron on various cryptocurrency exchanges and then transfer it to your wallet. Now, to send USDT, open your wallet and navigate to the Send section. Select USDT as the token you want to send and enter the recipient's address. Make sure to double-check the address, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. In the next step, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Be aware that the minimum amount may vary depending on the wallet and the network conditions. After entering the amount, you will see the transaction fee, which is paid in Tron. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's address, the amount of USDT, and the transaction fee. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Your wallet will then prompt you to enter your password or use biometric authentication to authorize the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be broadcast to the Tron network, where it will be verified by nodes and included in a block. This process typically takes a few seconds, but it can take longer during times of high network congestion. To track the status of your transaction, you can use a blockchain explorer, such as TronScan, where you can enter the transaction ID or the recipient's address to see the transaction details. In conclusion, sending USDT via the Tron network is a straightforward process that requires a digital wallet, some Tron for fees, and the recipient's address. Always double-check the transaction details before confirming, and use a reputable wallet to ensure your funds are safe.